Okay, it's now official. You can't ignore TikTok anymore. With over 1 billion daily users and a steady growth record, TikTok has already established itself as a prominent social media platform. Don't let the slicky dancing moves and trending songs fool you though. It is a serious place to be. As a small business owner, TikTok is a great place to establish and grow your brand. But you can have some difficulties competing with TikTok juggernauts with deep pockets. That's why we are here to help you with important tricks and tips on getting you started with TikTok. Find out how to use TikTok, from setting up an account and navigating the platform to using the app's most popular editing features. I am Bobe Chiambah, founder and CEO of C Media Group, where we leverage the power of media and technology to empower you. Before we start talking about what you need, first let's look at what you don't need. You don't need to have creative ideas. You can look at trends and imitate them. But if you want to grow big and establish a brand in the platform, you have to take time and come up with some creative ideas. You don't need to spend several thousands of dollars on a professional camera. A typical phone camera is more than enough. Keep in mind that at some point you want to get more professional. It is not like a phone camera will carry you forever. What you will learn in this course: you will learn how to set up a TikTok account from start to finish, how to make a TikTok, how to schedule a TikTok, how to use TikTok effects, most popular TikTok editing features, how to navigate TikTok, how to change your TikTok username, how to find friends on TikTok, and how to engage with other users on TikTok. What is TikTok? TikTok is a platform for short-form mobile video. Users can make videos that range between 5 seconds to 10 minutes long and use a massive music library and fun effects to quickly edit together bit-sized digital films. But beyond the fun of quickly shooting and editing videos from your phone, what makes TikTok downright irresistible for so many people is discovering content via TikTok's finely tuned algorithm. TikToks for Your Page delivers an endless stream of videos from other users and gets smarter and smarter about what you like as time goes on. Maybe even too smart, as some users say. It's like a personalized TV station that caters to both your interests and our shortening attention spans. TikTok's incredible hold on the Gen Z market has turned into a marketing powerhouse. Songs go viral, new stars are born, trends spread like wildfire. Long story short, TikTok is an excellent opportunity for brands to get in there and build some serious buzz. It is important to note how central music and dancing are to the TikTok ecosystem. The app was born of a merger between ByteDance and Musical.ly. It is also important to note that the app has faced its share of controversy thanks to high-profile privacy and security concerns. But obviously, these issues haven't stopped millions of users worldwide from embracing the app. Here's how you can get in on the phone. 2. How to set up a TikTok account. 1. Download the TikTok app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. 2. Open the app. 3. Go to Me and sign up for an account. 4. Choose a method to sign up. You did it. You are a TikToker now. No takebacks. How to make a TikTok. Of course, a TikTok account is just one step in the journey towards total social media domination. You have to make some content too. Luckily, it's easy and fun. 1. Once you've got your account set up, tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen to enter create mode. 2. Before you start recording, you'll be able to pre-select a variety of editing elements to apply to your video clip from a menu on the right hand side of the screen. 3. Flip to your front-facing camera. Tweak the speed. Apply a softening beauty lens. Play with different filters. Set up a self-timer or toggle the flash on or off. 4. Ready to record. Hold down the red button in the bottom center to record a video or tap it once to snap a picture. Alternatively, tap upload to the right of the record button and view your camera library to upload a photo or video from there. If you would like to add more videos or photos to the sequence, follow step 2 and 4 through again. 6. When you have created all of your scenes, hit the check mark icon. 7. You will then have a chance to edit further, adding text, stickers, additional filters, voiceovers, and more. 8. When you are happy with your video, click next to add a caption or hashtags, tag friends, add a URL, or toggle various privacy options or off. 9. Post by tapping post. How to schedule a TikTok video. If you rather not post right away, you can use Hootsuite to schedule your TikToks for any time in the future. Note that TikTok's native scheduler only allows users to schedule TikToks up to 10 days in advance. If that is okay for you, then go ahead and use it instead. To create and schedule a TikTok using Hootsuite, Follow these steps. Record your video and edit it in the TikTok app as explained before. When you're done editing your video, tap next in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Then select more options and tap save to the device. In Hootsuite, tap the create icon on the very top of the left hand menu to open the composer. Select the account you want to publish your TikTok to. Upload the TikTok you saved to your device. Add a caption. You can include emojis and hashtags and tag accounts in your caption. Adjust additional settings. You can enable or disable comments. Note that existing TikTok privacy settings will override these ones. Preview your post and click post now to publish it immediately, or click schedule for later to post your TikTok at a different time. You can manually select a publication date or pick from 3 recommended custom best time to post for maximum engagement. And that's all. Your TikTok will show up in the planner alongside all of your other scheduled social media posts. How to use TikTok editing effects. With built-in filters, effects and graphic elements, it is simple to compare a masterpiece. 1. Tap the plus icon to start making your video. 2. Tap the effects menu to the left of the record button. 3. Scroll to the right to explore the different subcategories of effects. Tap any of the effects to preview how they will look on camera. 4. Under the green screen section, you will find a variety of different ways to layer your video over the top of a fake background. Get experimental. You will see a roll of photos and videos from your camera roll on top of the effects here. Tap which photo or video you would like to layer onto the green screen and watch the image. 5. When you found the effect you would like to try, tap out of the effect menu and use the record button to capture your scene. Most popular TikTok editing features. Not sure where to start on your editing journey? Start with mastering these popular video editing features. The green screen tool. Transport yourself anywhere in the world with the green screen effect. Just tap the effect button to the left of the record button and find the green screen tab. There are many different styles, but they all layer a fresh video of you in front of a fake background. Record a video of yourself and then use that as the green screen backdrop so you can interact with your digital clone. TikTok Duets. The TikTok Duet tool allows you to share a split screen with another user's content to sing along, dance along, or get a little goofy. To duet a video, tap the share button on the right hand side of a video and tap duet. Note that users do need to opt into this, so you might not be able to duet with every video you find. Adding text. It is rare to find a TikTok video without text on it. Just add your words of wisdom or closed caption on the final editing screen. If you want to add text that appears and disappears to the beat, we'll walk you through our video guide on TikTok editing tricks. I will link it in the description. Make sure to check it. Appearing, disappearing, or transforming. Non-high-tech editing moves are needed to pull off this popular TikTok magic trick. Just record clips that begin where the last one left off, whether that's paused with a snap, with your palm covering the lens, or with you totally out of the frame of the camera. Cloning. TikTok is always introducing new effects, filters, and features, so trending editing tricks are changing daily. Like this clone photo effect that is popping up everywhere. Keep your eye on the Discover tab to stay in the know about what's trending. How to navigate TikTok. When you first log into TikTok and are bombarded by half-naked girls dancing all over the place, or terrible boyfriends from every angle, it can feel overwhelming. But the 5 icons across the bottom of your screen are there to offer structure and comfort to the experience. Yes, there is a method to the TikTok madness. From left to right, there are home. Tap on this icon on the bottom left of the screen and you will find yourself watching a stream of TikTok content from other users. In the For You tab, you'll be delivered fresh content from across the app that TikTok's algorithm thinks you might like. Do you want to see what your friends are up to? Swipe over the following tab to view a stream of content exclusively from people you follow. Discover. This page will share trending hashtags that you can explore, but it is also the spot where you can search for specific content, users, songs, or hashtags. Labor Day trending hashtags. Create, which is the plus button. Tap this button to access the recording screen and create a TikTok. Scroll back up for hot tips on how this section functions. Inbox. Here you will find notifications about new followers, likes, comments, mentions, and more. Tap the All Activity menu at the top to filter by specific notification type. Me. The me icon leads to your profile. You can tap the edit profile button to make changes, or tap on the 3 dots in the top right to access TikTok settings and privacy menu. How to change your TikTok username. Your username should make it easy for TikTok users to find you on the platform. So a general rule of thumb is keep it straightforward and avoid changing your username if you don't have a good reason to do so. But if you ever have to change your username, the process is simple. Go to the profile tab. Tap edit profile. Type in your username and save the changes. You can only change your TikTok username once every 30 days, so make sure to check the spellings before you hit save. Note that changing your username will also change your profile URL. How to find friends on TikTok. One way to find friends on TikTok is to connect your profile to your contact list or your Facebook account. In order to do this, go to the Me tab at the bottom right corner. Tap the human and the plus sign icon in the top left corner. Choose to invite friends directly, connect with your phone's contact list, or connect with your Facebook friends list. To turn off contact sync, you can always go back into your phone's privacy settings and turn off contact access to TikTok. Find friends by connecting your profile to a contact list or Facebook account. Another way to find friends is to search for their usernames. Go to the Discover tab, which is the second icon from the bottom right, and type in their name. One more option, scan your friend's tick code. This is a unique QR code built right into user's profile. Scan one with your phone and you will be taken to their profile or your screen. No pesky typing is required. How to engage with other users on TikTok. Interacting with other users doesn't just make TikTok a more fun place to be, but it is also a critical part to any successful TikTok marketing strategy. On every video, you will find a menu of icons on the right hand side that allow you to engage and interact with other TikTok. Use them. Tap the profile icon to go to the user's profile, and if your fingers are tiny enough, tap the tiny plus sign to follow the creator. Tap the heart icon to like a video. This gives the creator props and lets TikTok know what kind of content you would like to see more of. Tap the speech bubble icon to leave a comment or read comments. Tap the arrow icon to share a video with a friend, save it, use the same effect on your own video, or duet or stitch the video to your own fresh take. Tap the spinning record icon to see which song is being used in the video and explore other TikToks that use the same clip. Of course, this is just scratching the surface to all that TikTok is capable of. If you're ready to take your brand's TikTok strategy to the next level, we've got more in-depth videos that tackle everything from TikTok analytics to strategies for making money on the platform. I will link all the videos in the description. Make sure to check them out, and I recommend you watch this video next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.